Miracles are the natural order of things.
Consciousness is the number one problem of science.
The Big Bang is a useful story.
Completely intractable mysteries.
Something is wrong. We may have to revise our theory of the creation of the universe.
I want to know what time is, and I want to know what space is.
What dark matter is, how to quantize gravity, how the universe started.
I want to know how likely it is that life begins.
Space-time we thought was fundamental, but space-time is doomed.
Scientists are observers, so we can't get rid of the observer.
And there is, to date, not a single specific conscious experience that can be explained.
The one thing that cannot really be an illusion.
Today, it's the possibility of millions of people waking up.
Could go on. There's a lot I want to know.
Order still emerges out of chaos, and things naturally complexify without outside intervention.
When that happens, the world will be transformed from the age of darkness to the age of enlightenment.
And you don't know anything in that moment.
Given I've only understood about 1/10 of what either of you has said for the last hour, I would like to end on a point where none of us know the answer to something.
In the materialist paradigm, all that is inexplicable.
The most important practice on your journey, spiritual journey into the present moment, is to become comfortable with not knowing, with not thinking.